Alright, here we got a new, I don't think it was ever used that I can tell. You can see down in there, it don't even hardly have a chip where you feed it, but it's a wood chipper. This is a 3-point WCBX62 from Titan. Brand spanking new, 540 PTO, category 1 pins. They've not even been put in there yet. So this thing is brand new, never used. And that's the way it's going to be whenever we sell it here. I don't know how much these are, I have no clue, but I know it just come in, and we've really never owned one probably new like